Dual extruder or multicolor 3D printers unlock capabilities beyond single-head machines, enabling multi-material prints, support material handling, and color variety for prototypes and artistic runs. This review evaluates 5 models that sit in a price spectrum from budget-friendly to premium, with a focus on dual extrusion or multicolor workflows, auto leveling, filament handling, and overall print stability.
Product number 1. FlashForge AD5X Multicolor 3D Printer. The AD5X from FlashForge targets fast, multicolor production with a Core XY architecture capable of up to 600 millimeters per second and a robust 300 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder. It supports up to 4 colors simultaneously, features one-click auto leveling, a versatile nozzle lineup 0.25, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8 millimeters, and remote monitoring via the FlashMaker app. Build volume is 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters, and the all-metal frame promises stability at higher speeds. Prospects for rapid prototyping and multicolor educational use are strong, given the automatic bed leveling and filament handling features. Performance-wise, the AD5X emphasizes speed without sacrificing stability thanks to a vibration compensation system and dual-channel cooling. The automatic bed leveling and resume printing mitigate common failures due to power loss. However, higher speed operation at 600 millimeters per second may necessitate very rigid part design and careful material choice to prevent ghosting or vibration-induced artifacts. For users needing multicolor capability in a small footprint, it's compelling, especially with direct drive extrusion supporting PLA, petg, and flexible filaments. Remote monitoring adds convenience for makerspaces and small shops.
Product number 2. Creality Ender 3 V3 SE 3D Printer. The Ender 3 V3 SE is Creality's accessible dual-axis improvements in a compact footprint, featuring a Sprite direct extruder, CR touch auto leveling with a strain sensor, dual Z-axis stability, and auto filament loading unloading. The 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inch build volume makes it a space-conscious option for beginners and hobbyists who want reliable prints at a lower entry price. Prospects include solid Creality ecosystem support and straightforward upgrades. In use, the V3 SE shines for straightforward PLA, petg, and TPU prints with dependable first-layer quality, facilitated by CR touch and improved Z-axis stability. The Sprite Direct Extruder contributes to consistent extrusion across filament types, and the auto filament loading is a tangible time saver for frequent filament changes. On the downside, the compact build volume limits larger parts, and some users report a learning curve around cable management and bed leveling routines in the first prints. The 3-step assembly is manageable, but beginners should budget extra time for initial calibration.
Product number 3. FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro 3D Printer with one-click auto printing system. The Adventurer 5M Pro is FlashForge's premium compact Core XY model, designed for serious speed with a 600 millimeters per second top travel speed and a 280 degrees Celsius nozzle. It sports a detachable nozzle for quick swaps, a multi-nozzle capability through 0.25, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8 millimeters options, and a 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters print area. Its smart features include automatic bed leveling through pressure sensing, a dual-sided PEI print bed, and a comprehensive FlashMaker app for remote management. Prospective buyers will appreciate the balance of speed, material compatibility, and user-friendly features. Performance and workflow-wise, the Adventurer 5M Pro excels in rapid iteration while preserving part quality thanks to the all-metal frame and Core XY rigidity. The automatic bed leveling reduces setup time, and the dual-sided PEI platform simplifies print removal and maintenance. For those printing with ABS, petg, or even carbon fiber reinforced variants, PLACF, petgCF, the 280 degrees Celsius nozzle broadens material compatibility. The main caveat is the smaller build volume relative to some competitors and the premium price point, but the value is clear for users prioritizing speed and convenience.
Product number 4. Creality Ender 3 V3 SE 3D printer. This is a variant of the Ender 3 V3 SE, focusing on a compact, budget-conscious footprint with the same Sprite Direct extruder, CR Touch auto leveling, and dual Z-axis stability. The listing emphasizes the 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inch build volume, auto filament loading, and 32-bit silent mainboard, all packaged for beginners seeking reliable prints without breaking the bank. In practice, you can expect dependable first layers with CR Touch, and a smoother workflow thanks to auto filament loading. The dual Z-axis and Y-axis linear shafts help reduce wobble and improve dimensional accuracy on small prints. As with other Ender 3 models, users should anticipate some tinkering at the margins of advanced filaments and calibration for consistent multi-material behavior. The 20-minute assembly estimate remains attractive for new users.
Product number 5. Flashforge AD5X multicolor 3D printer 4 colors with IFS. The AD5X, listed here as a distinct entry, emphasizes multicolor capability with support for up to 4 colors, Intelligent Filament System, IFS, for automatic filament loading or refill, and a high-speed profile up to 600 mm per second with a 300 degrees Celsius nozzle. The 220 by 220 by 220 mm build area pairs with a robust all-metal frame and Core XY architecture. Practical advantages include minimal manual intervention thanks to auto leveling and filament management features, making it suitable for schools and small studios. From a performance standpoint, the IFS reduces downtime and filament-related interruptions, which is valuable for continuous production or teaching labs. The 300 degrees Celsius nozzle expands material chemistry options beyond standard PLA and petg, enabling more demanding materials. The main trade-off is the price versus print area, and some users may prioritize color accuracy and calibration for complex multicolor parts. Overall, it's a strong balance of speed, automation, and material flexibility.